How's it going, traders? It's the Pup of Wall Street back with another midweek review. Today we're going to look at four charts: Asana, Crowdstrike, QDEL, and Micron. So let's dig into these charts. First up is Asana. So taking a quick look, we did have a trend line breakout, retest, and bounce. Now we're coming back up to our previous high, right where our gap is, right? So I'm looking for potential gap fill over 81.43. We are on the 30-minute chart. So what might happen here is looking at possible cup and maybe a handle forming before, we want to maybe have RSI reset back at 50. We are a little entangled here on our MACD. So watch for a potential flag or handle forming here on our cup base, and watch for that break over 81.43 on Asana, ticker ASAN. Next up is CrowdStrike. So we have an ascending triangle, right? So you have a high, another high, forming resistance with a low, a higher low, and another higher low. And so again, looking for a test and break of 212.60, 219, 229, 239, targets to the upside. RSI bouncing off of 50, MACD is entangled, and again, we're on that 30-minute chart for CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD. Next up is QDEL, ticker is QDEL. We had a gap up today, basically gap and go, and now we're flagging. We are overbought on the 30-minute, and MACD looks to be crossing over into the close. So watch for a potential reset. We did build a lot of volume here, anchored to our previous ascending triangle breakout from back there, right? We had that false breakout here. Then we had our true breakout. We flagged into the close on Friday. And of course, like I mentioned, we gapped and went today. So again, we're on the 30 minutes, so just watch for potential consolidation up here. Wait for RSI to reset and turn back up, maybe MACD to cross back over, and watch for a push higher over 179 for QDEL. Last but not least is Micron. Talked about this as well as QDEL over the weekend. So you see we had a series of lower lows forming here, and we had earnings today. So was watching and waiting to see what would happen with earnings. I think in the past, Micron earnings has sold off, and so we had a really big pop on earnings. Of course, it's still early. It's right now about 4:40 Eastern Standard Time, so just about 40 minutes past the close on Monday. So we still have to wait for the earnings call. And of course, we just don't know how we're going to open up tomorrow morning. It could be a wild ride. But suffice to say, if we get a break over 87.50 tomorrow, watch for a move to 89 and 91. And of course, this being a semiconductor, watch how this affects other semiconductors like NVIDIA, AMD, AMAT, and the like. We'll usually get sympathy plays off of like earning plays. So that's what I have for now. Those are my four 30-minute charts that I'm going to be watching into tomorrow. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have a moment, leave a simple comment. Say hello. Tell me, I hate Pup, I hate your videos, or Pup, I love your videos. Just let me know something. It's really good for the algorithms. I really would appreciate your help and support. Thank you very much for spending 4 minutes of your time with me. Have a great evening.